3, 2, 1.
Which animal is known as a dromedary? The answer is B, camel. In chemistry and physics, what do we call free radicals? The answer is C, atoms with at least one unpaired electron. At Christmas, children usually put stockings or shoes by the fireplace, by the door, or by the windowsill. In which country do children fill their shoes with hay and carrots for Santa's horse? The answer is B, Holland. I divide and unite, sometimes causing strife. What am I? The answer is B, political party. In the 80s, Andrew Lloyd Webber dominated the musical theater. Which of the following is not a show of his?
The answer is C, Chicago.
Which cocktail contains rum, the juice of 1 sash, 2 a lime, and cola? The answer is A, Cuba Libre. What term refers to snow which partially melts upon reaching the ground and accumulates in puddles of partially frozen water? The answer is D, slush. Which of these is not a type of cloud storage? The answer is D, local drive. In what country was the garden strawberry first bred in 1740? The answer is A, France. What is the name of the tiger in Life of Pi? The answer is A, Raja. The Sahara Desert is in which continent? The answer is A, Africa. I'm tall and I live in the cold. My peak is the highest point, where most people never go. What am I? The answer is D, tower. Which human organ system exchanges gases with the environment? The answer is C, respiratory. What movie stars James Woods as Jack Crow, the leader of a Catholic Church-sanctioned team of vampire hunters? The answer is D, vampires. In a rubber duck race, the winning duck traveled 300 meters in 10 minutes. What was the duck's average speed? The answer is A, 0.5 m/s. In what state was a person executed by lethal injection on December 14, 1982? The answer is C, Texas. The upper portion of the septum is formed by the perpendicular plate of which bone? The answer is C, ethmoid bone. Treating water is used to remove harmful substances before what? The answer is B, guzzling. Present-day plants that have a complex vascular tissue system are called what kind of plants? The answer is B, vascular plants. What is the architectural style of the Eiffel Tower in Paris? The answer is C. Neo-Gothic. Which property best indicates that soil contains nutrients? The answer is B. Color. I can hold thousands of books, yet I am weightless. What am I? The answer is A. Cloud storage. Marathi is a language spoken in which of these countries? The answer is B. India. The y-intercept of a vertical line occurs at what value on the y-axis? The answer is B. Any number. What do all animals need in order to survive? The answer is B. Water, air, and food. Spindle fibers pull what apart in anaphase eye? The answer is A. Linked chromosomes. Adding the number of protons plus the number of neutrons in an atom decides its approximate mass. What is another word for this value? The answer is D. Atomic number. Which vegetable is also known as the artichoke thistle? The answer is A. Globe artichoke. What is the term for the simplest form of matter that has a unique set of properties? The answer is D. An element. What animal can rotate its stomach? The answer is A. Camel. Who is the father of modern logic? The answer is B. Russell. What cycle completes the breakdown of glucose begun in glycolysis? The answer is A. Krebs. I have 8 legs and carry many passengers. What am I? The answer is D. Octopus. If an adult salmon goes back to where it was born, which of these is likely? The answer is A. It wants to deposit its offspring. Which causes the electric fan to work? The answer is B. Power outlets allow the blades to rotate. What is the study of human behavior and mental processes known as? The answer is D. Psychology. What is Nietzsche's famous phrase about God? The answer is A. God is dead. What type of paper do you need to cook fish en papillote in order to seal in the flavor and juices? The answer is A. Parchment paper. I'm full of holes and used to keep secrets. What am I? The answer is C. Envelope. What functions as a framework that reinforces the shape of the leaf? The answer is D. The vascular structure. Who would be healthier? The answer is A. A sleeper. What is the highest level domain TLD for educational institutions? The answer is C. .edu. Which of these is not a state capital? The answer is D. Dallas. What is the term for a particle outside the nucleus of an atom that has a negative electric charge? The answer is A. Electron. In what year was the last episode of The Avengers broadcast in Britain? The answer is A. 1969. What is the main component of glue sticks? The answer is B. Glue. I move in the sky, but never fly. What am I? The answer is A. Star. When did Yuri Gagarin, the first man in space, die in a plane crash on a training mission east of Moscow? The answer is C. March 1968. What was the Great Depression in U.S. economy roughly between years? The answer is B. 1930s. What causes light to refract?